What is this? Hey, beautiful people. If you're new here, I'm Keisha. Over here, we talk about fragrance, a little bit of family, a little bit of lifestyle, pretty much everything that smells good, sugar spice, and everything nice. Okay? If that is something that you would be interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that post notification button. My daughter always has to remind me, so I said, let me just do it at the beginning of the video so I don't forget. All right, but if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag. So let's get into it. Okay, first of all, what is Ipsy? That is obviously something you might want to know. So Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription service similar to BoxyCharm. That's the only other one I can think of. I'm sure there's probably a million out there. But Ipsy was the one that I've been most familiar with. I used to use Ipsy for literally years. And then I had taken a break for maybe about 2 years. I think during the pandemic, because I really wasn't going anywhere and I kept getting all these stuff and I'm like, what am I going to do with it? So I paused during the pandemic and I just restarted my glam bag back this year. So I think I'm going to be including that every month as part of some of the content on this channel. In the US, I think it's $13 a month. In Canada, it's $15 a month, and that's for just a regular glam bag. They have upgraded. Like when I came back to Ipsy, this was all new to me because back then it was really just the plain old glam bag. So then the regular glam bag, this is what it says on their website. The beauty bag that started it all. Their OG subscription. It helps you discover your new faves with 5 personalized deluxe size beauty samples worth over $50, sent in a cute makeup bag. And you also get to choose one product. I forgot this month, so I didn't actually choose. So it's pretty much like all surprises in there. Last month I did get to choose one of the items that I wanted. So it's fun. It's just like, treat yourself. Look good, smell good, feel good, do good. That's how I feel. Or look good, feel good, smell good, whatever. You know what I mean? When you look good, you feel good, you do good, and you make sure you smell good. Okay, so that is just the regular glam bag. That's what I have. They also have the Glam Bag Plus, which is $28 a month, and that's US. I don't know, I can't remember what it is in Canadian. And that gives you 5 full-size ones. Glam Bag Plus, yeah, 5 full-size beauty products worth over $120 and a themed drawstring bag. So with Ipsy, you always get a free bag. And that's another thing, like, it's like I don't know what to do with the bags anymore. If you have Ipsy and you have ideas about what to do with the bag after you're done, let me know because like, I don't know. I ended up donating like all of them. Okay, and now they have the Glam Bag X, which is Glam Bag X is a quarterly members only upgrade to your monthly Ipsy membership that includes 8 full-size products worth up to $350. So that's pretty cool. So where is Ipsy available? It's available in Canada, US, and Mexico. So I literally have not even opened it. I saw it in the mailbox today, and I was like, oh, let me open it for my video. Just make sure you don't be cutting nothing in the bag because I have done that before. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I got a full-size body cream. I did not know that was going to be in there. So Velvety body cream. Ooh, dive into rich velvet moisture for a royal glow. Nourishes and restores quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration kind to skin. Oh, I don't know if it's because it's my birthday month. I have no idea why I got this huge full-size one. Let's smell it. Oh, obviously the thing is sealed. Thanks, Ipsy. That is so cool. I did not know. I really didn't know. This is like the first time I've ever gotten such a big thing in my Ipsy bag. I don't know. Is it a birthday gift? I don't know. Ooh, it smells good. This will go perfect with those spring and summer fragrances. It is very citrusy. Smells like oranges. And okay, no oily residue. Oh, just nice and moisturized. Perfect, because moisture is a foundation to your fragrance. Okay, so that was the first thing. This is the February Glam Bag. So cute. Very pretty. I'm guessing the heart because it was Valentine's Day. And then on the back, it says, self-love is the best love. I know that's right. You don't have to tell me twice, Ipsy. Okay, so what's inside the bag? Body lotion, Lasco New York body lotion champagne, ginger grapefruit raspberry, natural luxury with a purpose. So the cool thing about Ipsy is it also focus camera. Oh, you know why you ain't focusing? It's also focus on my face. Okay, the cool thing about Ipsy is that it's very frequently has introduced me to brands that I was not never aware of before, and you also get the option to buy full. Ooh. Oh, so you pop it because it was like this. Oh, this on. So I popped it out, and then when you close it, you like that. Okay, I already have the citrusy one, but let's see how. I can't. I can't really smell it because the citrus, the other lotion overpowers it. I smell it faintly. It has a faint smell. It smells good though. Ooh, okay. I love that they have been sending me some moisturizers because sometimes they sent so much makeup that I just never really got around to using. I wasn't a fan of. Ooh, a lippy. Appeal Ultra Creme Liquid Lipstick. Listen, I love me some lippies. I might have to put this on for my next video. First of all, let me open it. Oh my gosh, it always wants to focus on my face. Okay, let's swatch her. She looks pretty. Ooh. This boy in my DM say she pretty. Oh, she's pretty. It always wants to focus on my face. Sorry. Or is this better like this? Yeah. Oh, pretty. Thanks, Ipsy. Okay, so I forgot to mention how you have to fill out a quiz when you start. So your skin tone, your interests, like what you want in your glam bag, and then they kind of curate the bag for you. Sorry, I totally left that part out. So that's kind of how it knows what lippy colors I like. Okay, the next one is Carmela Cosmetics Pressed Eyeshadow Duos. Okay, let's see what she looks like. Oh, she is pretty. Let's watch her too. Oh, she's pretty. Okay, so obviously that's the lipstick. And then those are the shadows. Very pretty. Next is Clinique, all about clean liquid facial soap, mild. Not really a smell to it. I've never tried it before, so I'm interested to know how it performs. Okay, and next they've given me a little foundation, Vitamin Babe Skin Loving Foundation, formulated with red orange extract. Mm, listen, I'm not good at I gotta test foundations, and honestly, my favorite foundation is Fenty, and I don't ever I don't ever cheat on her. It's me and Fenty for life. So we'll see. Let's see. Okay, first of all, let's see if it's even a match to my skin tone. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. This one. Like, I am not a makeup artist, but I think this might be a little bit too dark. I don't want to look orangey. Maybe in the summer? But when I spend a lot of time in the summer, I get a bit darker. Okay, well, out of the 5 things, 4 out of 5 of them are fantastic. Plus, the full-sized body lotion. Does that? Let's see. Hold on, let me get one of my baby's wet wipes so I can wipe how I get foundation on everything. So I think that was a pretty good glam bag, and I'm loving the little bag it comes with. So all the Ipsy bags, at least the regular glam bags, come with these little bags. And so when I had Ipsy for over a year before, so I had a lot of them, and I really didn't know what to do with them after a while. I was using it just as storage, like I just didn't know what to do with them. So if you have Ipsy and you have any ideas for what to do with all the glam bags it comes with, let me know. I do like them. I think they're so cute though. If you're interested in signing up for Ipsy, drop your email in the comments below. Right now, I have 5 free glam bags that I can give away. You're just gonna enter in. You gotta give me your email so I can give it to them so they can send you the link. And if you're not one of the 5, you can still sign up. I'll leave the link down below. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the post notifications button. I don't know if that's the order you say it with. I don't know. I'm not a YouTube girly. I'm trying to figure it out still. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay beautiful. Bye.